Most people are using artificial intelligence like a basic search engine. They ask one simple question, receive one simple answer, and then close the app. But the right AI tools can help you research, write, create videos, analyze documents, and complete hours of work much faster. In this video, I'll show you 3 AI tools you can start using without paying up front. And stay until the end, because the third tool can help you turn a written idea into a complete faceless video. Welcome to AI with Raffaa, where we turn AI into practical opportunities. The first tool is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, prepare video scripts, improve emails, organize business plans, summarize information, analyze files, and generate visual concepts. But the quality of the result depends heavily on the quality of your instruction. Instead of saying, "Give me a YouTube idea," try saying, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for beginners interested in using AI to make money." For every idea, include a strong title, opening hook, target viewer, and thumbnail text. That instruction provides the AI with a topic, audience, format, and expected result. You can also ask ChatGPT to improve its own work. After receiving a script, say, "Rewrite this script with a stronger opening, shorter sentences, and more curiosity every 30 seconds. Here's a useful workflow that you can follow step by step. First, ask ChatGPT for video ideas. Second, choose one idea and request an outline. Third, turn the outline into a complete script. Fourth, ask it to identify any claims that require verification. Finally, adapt the script to your own experience and speaking style. Never publish an AI-generated script without checking it. AI can make mistakes, use outdated information, or produce generic writing. The second tool is NotebookLM. NotebookLM is useful when you want the AI to focus on specific sources instead of giving a broad answer from general knowledge. You can add documents, reports, websites, videos, audio files, or notes to a notebook. Then you can ask questions based on that material. For example, imagine you want to create a video about a new AI product. You could add the company's official announcement, help pages, pricing information, and product documentation. Then ask, what are the 5 most important features for beginners? You could also ask, which claims in these sources would make the strongest YouTube hooks? Or create a video outline using only the uploaded sources. This can make research more organized and reduce the risk of mixing reliable information with random online claims. NotebookLM is also useful for students, business owners, researchers, and creators working with long documents. You can use it to prepare briefing documents, frequently asked questions, study materials, research summaries, content outlines, and audio style overviews. The important rule is simple. Good sources create better results. Always use current and trustworthy material. The third tool is CapCut. CapCut can help you turn your script and media into a polished video. You can use it to cut clips, add visual transitions, generate captions, create voiceovers, remove backgrounds, and format videos for YouTube or Shorts. For a faceless video, use this workflow. Start with your finished script, record a voiceover or generate an AI voice. Add relevant stock footage, screen recordings, images, and animated text. Generate automatic captions. Then add light background music and visual changes every few seconds. Do not fill the entire video with random stock clips. Show visuals that support what the narration is saying. When discussing ChatGPT, show the actual ChatGPT workflow. When discussing NotebookLM, show a notebook being created and sources being uploaded. When discussing CapCut, show the editing timeline, captions, voice controls, and export settings. This makes the video more useful and original. These 3 tools can also work together. Use NotebookLM for source-based research. Use ChatGPT to organize the research and draft the script. Then use CapCut to edit the finished video. That creates a simple AI content production system without requiring an expensive production team. But remember, AI should assist your work, not replace your judgment. Review every claim. Add your own explanation. Use original screen recordings. And never promise viewers guaranteed income. The best tool is not the one with the most features, it is the one that helps you produce useful work consistently. Which of these 3 tools would you like me to explain in a complete step-by-step tutorial? Write ChatGPT, NotebookLM, or CapCut in the comments. Subscribe to AI with Raffaa for practical AI tools, realistic side hustles, and online business strategies. Turn AI into practical income today.